Join ForumIAS Academy, trusted by hundreds of toppers, including IAS Rank 1 Shruti Sharma.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepika and I welcome you all to ForumIAS. In this video, we will know about the Organization for Security Cooperation in Europe, OSCE. It is the world's largest regional security organization. Its comprehensive approach to security encompasses politico-military, economic and environmental and human aspects. It addresses a wide range of concerns including arms control, confidence and security building measures, human rights, national minorities, democratization, policing strategies, counterterrorism, and economic and environmental activities. It has 57 participating states from Europe, Asia, and North America. All states enjoy equal status. All the decisions are taken by consensus. Although OSCE does not have any legal status under international law, but all its decisions are politically binding and not legally binding. The headquarters of OSCE is located in Vienna, Austria. Minsk Group. The Minsk Group was created in 1994. It leads OSCE's efforts to find peaceful solution to the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. It is co-chaired by France, Russia and US. Its activities are known as Minsk Process. Nagorno-Karabakh region. It is known as Artsakh by Armenians. It is a landlocked mountainous area in the South Caucasus. It is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan. But its inhabitants are predominantly ethnic Armenians, so the region has always been a point of conflict between the Azerbaijan and Armenia. Minsk I and Minsk II agreements. Minsk I and Minsk II are the agreements to resolve Russia-Ukraine conflict. Minsk I was signed by Ukraine, Russia, OSCE and pro-Russian leaders from Donetsk and Luhansk in 2014. It broke down quickly by violations from both sides. Minsk II was signed in 2015. It was co-chaired by France, Germany, Russia and Ukraine. These four countries are known as Normandy 4. Minsk is the capital of Belarus. So this was about OSCE, Minsk Agreement and Minsk Group. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to ForumIAS. Thanks for watching.